Oh, hi! Want to learn how to make a quick and easy bracelet?
Okay, so to start, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a pair of pliers, a pair of snips, some tiger tail wire, a clasp of your choice. I'm using a toggle, and those crimp beads. So first we're going to cut a length of this tiger tail wire with the snips. You're going to need the length of the bracelet that you need, plus about 1.5 inches on each end. Then we're going to get to those crimp beads. You're going to put 2 crimp beads on the first end of your wire, the first end of your toggle or your clasp, and then you're now going to feed that wire back through those 2 crimps. Now with the end fed through, we're just simply going to pull on the long side of the string to zip that little hole down a little shorter. And now we're going to squish those crimp beads. So simply get in there with those flat nose pliers and just squish the crimp. I like using 2 crimps just to provide a little extra security. While there are pliers specifically made to do this, honestly, I have found flat nose pliers very easy to use and work just as good. Next, you're going to slide your beads on there in whatever pattern you desire. Check that it's the desired length that you would like. Now we're just going to repeat those first 2 steps. We got 2 crimp beads on there. We're going to put the other half of our toggle and slide this back through. So before you squish those crimps, I have a little trick to make it easier to shrink the gap on this side so you don't have wasted space. So simply put your tool just above those crimp beads on the wire that is going through the bracelet, and then grab on the little extra here and just simply pull on that until it's tight. Your tool will leave a small gap, and now you can go ahead and crimp those 2 little beads. So feed that extra wire through the last bead, pull it snug, and then simply clip off the extra.
Now you have a quick and easy bracelet made with crimps and toggle clasp.